Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, November 13th. Few of us are ever in a mad rush to acknowledge our harmful actions. But if the process of forgiveness is to succeed, we must accept responsibility for what we have done. We must be able to state the truth of what we have done in order to heal the breach in a relationship. We must tell the truth in order to heal the places inside us that break when we hurt another. Ideally, the fourfold path of forgiveness begins with the one who has inflicted the harm admitting what they have done wrong. When we're able to admit what we have done, we begin the process of receiving forgiveness on a sure footing. It makes it easier for the one we have harmed to forgive us. There is no guarantee that they will forgive us, but by walking the path, we create a better chance for it. And even if there is little hope that the one we have wounded will forgive, we can still walk the path for our own healing. The person who grants forgiveness receives a gift. The person who seeks forgiveness receives a healing. When we ask for forgiveness, we hope that our humble admission will help the person we have harmed. We hope that our contrition will heal the relationship we have impaired, so that we set out bravely. Even though we are uncertain of the outcome, we know this journey is our only hope for freedom and wholeness. This step can be very difficult. It's not easy to admit our wrongs, but it must be done. It is a burden to carry our secrets and our shame, our guilt and our remorse. Often, the fear of telling the person what we have done is much greater than the reaction we will get from actually admitting the wrong. Only when we can speak the secrets can we hope to banish our shame and live with truth and integrity. You may wish to gather support as you embark on the process of admitting a wrong. It can be very helpful to practice what you're going to say with someone you trust first. So instead of saying it to the person you have harmed right away, maybe practice with a friend or a trusted advisor. And of course, we're doing this practicing here through this box of forgiveness practice we did yesterday, we're going to do today. Admitting the wrong is how we begin to take responsibility for hurting another human being. And if we genuinely wish to make things right, we will not compound the initial harm by failing to make an honest confession. It is the first step in truly thinking of another first. When we experience true remorse, then we can make an honest confession and begin to relieve the suffering we have caused. And this is true whether we have taken a life, stolen from a neighbor, betrayed a spouse, or done any of a host of other deeds of cruelty or thoughtlessness. So today, let's do another box of forgiveness practice, literally practicing admitting the wrong, first to a trusted companion, so that eventually we can do it with the one we have harmed. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be nice and soft, completely natural. Find some spaciousness in your breathing. so that all the experiences of the present moment can just flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now create a safe space by bringing to mind a place where you feel completely safe, free, at home. This place can be real or imaginary. See this place fully and inhabit it. Notice, are you indoors or outdoors? Is the space large or cozy, small? What does it smell like? What does the air feel like on your skin? What sounds do you hear? Notice that someone is calling for you now. The one who is calling speaks in a voice filled with warmth, love, and delight. When you are ready, welcome this person into your safe space and notice how this person's presence increases your sense of safety and assurance. Who is your companion? Is it a loved one, a friend, a spiritual figure? Just notice that it is someone who is very accepting, affirming, supportive, and utterly trustworthy. Between you and your companion sits an open box. Look at the box. It is small and light enough for you to lift and hold. So maybe lift it, notice its size, shape, texture. What's unique about this box? Now start telling your companion the story of what you have done wrong. Tell the truth about the harm you have caused in as much detail as you can. And notice that as you speak, the guilt and shame are pouring out of you like a stream, and the stream goes right into the open box. Speak until you have finished. I'm going to give you about a minute in silence to do that. When you are done speaking, tell your companion that you are sorry for what you have done and ask for forgiveness. Your companion smiles at you, knowing that you are whole and worthy of love, no matter what you have done. Everybody deserves forgiveness. Now gently close the box of forgiveness, taking it into your lap. Sit with it for a few moments. And when you are ready, hand the box to your trusted companion. Know that they will hold this box for you for however long you need. When you feel ready, you may leave your place of safety. And as always, place your hands on your heart, thanking yourself for this deep, powerful work you're doing. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice, scanning your body, noticing what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect on this first step of the path, admitting your wrongdoing. How does it feel to think about yourself harming someone else, whether intentionally or not? Is there any shame, guilt, fear that you're experiencing when thinking of admitting the wrong you've done? Whatever it is, be gentle with yourself. Trust your own timing, trust your own process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.